Okay, so the first step is to, I pre-cooked this last night, the sauteed it. But now I'm adding onion, ginger, and garlic. We add that. That smells good. And then I had here half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And then, what else did I take here? A little bit of salt just to taste. You're supposed to put half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, but I don't have that right now. And then I have 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. I'm sorry, chili powder. So I'm gonna add this here. So now we're adding water. So just cover it. And then you will cook it for an hour if you don't have a pressure cooker. You have to cook it for an hour on a stove top. So just leave it for an hour, cover it of course, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 45 minutes. So it's not yet that tender. I think we need like another 40 minutes. Okay, be right back. Okay, so we are back. Our beef is almost done. So what I need you to do next is to turn off the heat first, and then move your beef into a bowl. So just because I want to use the same pot to temper the spices, just because all the beefy goodness is in there. Ooh, this smells so good. So the beef is now very tender. I cooked it for about 2 hours because it really depends on the kind of beef that you're using, like the part of the beef. This part is a little hard, so I had to. I needed more time to cook it. Okay, so let me just. Okay, guys, this is fine. That's the oil of the beef. Alright, so we'll turn our heat up. Okay. So since there's like leftover oil from the beef, I need you to add this. And then I do not have a cinnamon stick, but if you do, put that in. For now, I am using ground cinnamon. So put that in. And then add your onion. And then turn your heat down a little bit. Okay. And then just have to cook that for about I think a minute. And then I have here my spice mix. So this is 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, and then 2 teaspoon garam masala, and then half a teaspoon of red chili powder, And then I placed half a teaspoon of garlic powder. So you're supposed to put coriander seeds and what do you call it? Sorry, coriander powder, but I don't have that right now, so I guess that's fine. I hope it's fine. Okay. We'll now add our spice mix. Okay. And I would like to add one beef cubes in there. Okay, that smells good. So break that down. Alright, and then you add a little bit of salt. You can add pepper too, but it's fine. And then we add a little bit of water. So this is the sauce for your beef. I'm sorry. And a little bit more. So just let that boil. And add pepper. While it's boiling, you need to add the thickener. Add the rest. Okay, now that's thick. You need to add back your beef. Okay, just cover it for a bit. Boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And it's ready. Alright guys, this is done. And let me just plate this and then I'll be right back. We're back. Now we have our finished product or our finished recipe. This is beef masala or beef curry with a tortilla. But it's better served with naan bread. But we don't have that right now. And so I'm using a tortilla. And then you can also serve it with rice. So there you go. That looks good and it tastes even better. Alright, this is the one with the rice. I hope you can see it. Okay. Alright. So thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!